My better people, e get wetin I've done hear about Noah Ark and person not Noah Ark. Wetin I just want to tell you that today be say, for this new year and for every other year, one thing wey you no suppose joke with na God word. Na to know say anything wey God don talk, im go do am, and the way wey he talk am, na im go do am. So make anybody no deceive una with anything wey he talk wey no dey according to wetin Baba God talk. So this new year, make you take time study wetin Baba God don talk, and before you do anything, before you follow everybody dey run up and down as if say word wan steer, make you first find out wetin Baba God word talk, because na wetin Baba God word talk na im go do, and wetin im go do im go talk. And last, no matter wetin you see, make you know say Baba God love you. So make you bend down for there, say God need dey carry you play. So when situation be like say e wan make you feel like say God no dey, remember say he don promise am say he no go ever leave you nor forsake you. So na so the matter dey. So no let this year with any prophecy wey dey negative, any prophecy wey go put fear for your body, no let am worry you. As long as say Oga Jesus na still dey inside your heart, na still dey rule your life, no let am worry you, because God dey your side. God bless you.